What's up, everyone? How many of you guys have heard of eToro before? I bet a lot of y'all have. It's a super popular brokerage and trading platform. And in today's sponsored video, I'm going to be giving a brief introduction and walkthrough of the US facing platform. And so if you haven't taken a look at eToro in a long time, or maybe you've never taken a look at all, then this video is for you. Sit back, relax, and just keep on watching. Okay, so what is eToro on a high level? It's a multi-asset brokerage founded way back in 2007. Its strength is its social and copy trading features. It boasts over 10 million users all around the globe and has a really expansive offering, which differs by region. So in its total offering, it covers things like crypto, stocks, commodities, ETFs, Forex, and more. Some of these via contract for differences. But like I said, depending on which country or region you're in, you're going to see a different offering on their platform. So in the US offering that we're going to focus on today, this is their landing page and it's mostly for crypto trading. I'm going to walk you through all the different features and give you a quick look at their platform and what you can do on it. But before that, I want to touch on some of their other offerings, for example, available in the UK and EU. This is their landing page, and I click the drop down. You can see they offer a lot more besides just crypto, stocks, commodities, currencies, and all markets if you want to see the rest. One cool part about their platform is that when you trade stocks in like the UK or EU, they offer zero commission, which is all the craze these days with like Robinhood, eToro. A lot of these companies offer zero commission, which is awesome for the end users like you and I. But I want to share with you a short disclaimer real quick, especially if you're in the EU and UK. And that is your capital is at risk. I'm going to quote them from their website footer because some of the things that you're trading is via a contract for difference or CFD. You can look that up yourself, but those are complex instruments and come with a high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. 62% of retail investor accounts lose money when trading CFDs with this provider. So you should strongly consider whether you understand how CFDs work and whether you can afford to take the high risk of losing your money. And so this is more applicable to the EU and UK platform if you want to access some of those other types of assets through these contracts for differences. But for the crypto trading platform, that's what I want to focus on today because I'm in the US and a lot of you guys watching are as well. So this is what's applicable to us. It's available in most US states now. It started with much fewer, but they rolled it out over time. Offers the 15 super popular coins on here. You are purchasing the actual asset and you can transfer it to your eToro X crypto wallet and then withdraw from there. They also have a copy trader feature. So basically you could select different traders, look at their stats and look at what they like to do. And then when they trade, you trade. This is great for beginners. They also offer a simple app to track and manage your portfolio. So now time for demo. Let's take a look. All right, so here we go. This is eToro's website. I have logged in, as you can tell. And the first thing I'm going to do is go here and switch it into virtual mode so we can practice without spending any money or potentially losing any money. Here is just the home page. We have your watch list. You can create new lists. You could straight up buy from within here. Let me just make this 1,000 for fun. And you are buying the underlying asset. See? Open trade. And so if you click here, you can see what it's worth now. You can also click on here to have access to the charts, more advanced charting tools. Go back, you can take a look at your portfolio, which you see I bought BTC. Newsfeed, if you want to look at what other people have to say, it's a very social media feed type of approach, which is what their strong suit is. You can also go to trade markets, in which you can look at all the different coins, add them to lists, or buy them straight up like we did earlier. And if you scroll down a bit more, you'll get to this copy portfolio section. And these are different allocations, different coins involved in each one. Like for example, this one, I'm going to click into this, cryptos by market cap. You can see the asset allocation. BTC has 30% roughly, Ethereum almost 9%, Zcash almost 6%, and others 40%. And you can see the performance for this particular asset allocation monthly and show the investors who are in this one and a lot of other stats. Pretty self-explanatory and straightforward. And copy traders, this is what we touched on earlier. You can take a look at different traders and view their stats, their performance in different months so far in 2020. There's a lot more advanced stats, how many people are copying them, their different trades, how many trades they make, some aggregate stats, and so forth. And let's say I want to copy him. I click copy. Amount I want to copy with, let's say I want to copy with $6,000. And then this auto adjusts stop copying if copy value of this initial 6,000 batch drops below 3,600. But you can change that. Let me say 3,000 right here. Copy open trades. Copy. Boom. There you go. You can also take a look at his feed that he's kind of posted himself, current portfolio, and performance charts over time. So pretty neat, pretty self-explanatory, right? Because with this approach, this copy traders feature, you can take a look at different traders, ones that do this full time, that are pros, veterans in the trading world, and copy them instead of guessing, not really knowing what you do, stumbling through, making bad trades. They are much more veteran than you are potentially, and you can just follow their lead. Here are some of the best returning ones in the last 12 months. Lonnie Boy, risk 7. They have a risk indicator too. 18 copiers, 100% the last 7 days. Wow, that's pretty cool. So I can click into him, take a look at his stats. 18 copiers, 4 total trades. And once again, you can add funds or add them to a watch list and so forth. They also have a referral program, pretty self-explanatory. You can earn $50 for every friend that you refer, and they get $50 too. Pretty darn neat. And the last thing I want to show you is withdraw funds on the sidebar. You can, well, I have 0 right now because I'm in virtual mode, but you can withdraw it and then press submit. Everything is super simple. And that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this live walkthrough. So I just want to mention real quick that everything that you just saw, that I just showed you, is available in all regions around the world. So whether you're watching from Europe or the US or anywhere else, you will be able to access the crypto trading platform that I just showed you. Now on to my final thoughts about eToro. It's great for beginners, like I said earlier, because you can get started really quick. You don't have to figure out a lot of different fancy functionalities and how they work. You can just use copy trading, social trading, and do it really simply. Get started with minimal time. On the other hand, if you're a more advanced trader and want nicer, more complex functionalities, this might not be the right fit for you. I also really love their virtual portfolio trading feature, which you can use as a demo mode per se, because that is great to get the feel for it before you actually put in your own capital. Their app is also great for those who prefer a mobile view and mobile management. I also am pretty confident that these guys will stick around and that they're good because they're really well regulated and have a super long track record. Like I said, they started all the way back in 2007. Sometimes their fees can be high, and some people have complained about this in the past. I've seen on different reviews, but that really depends on your situation and what you're trying to do and your context and your trading behavior. So definitely go take a look at information about that just so you get familiarized. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. This is Kevin. I hope you can support us by smashing the like button, leaving all your comments down below. Also, why not check out these videos up here to watch more great content by us, and I'll catch you guys next time.